In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert Xbox 360 Minecraft worlds to Bedrock. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you a method to convert your Xbox 360 worlds into the Bedrock edition of Minecraft. You will be able to play the modern versions in any world that you have from the Xbox 360 era. For the method that I'm going to showcase in this video, you are going to need to have access to the Xbox One version of Minecraft. Essentially, you are going to be transferring it from the Xbox 360 into the Xbox One and then into the Bedrock edition. There are methods where you can skip the Xbox One edition, but I will not be able to showcase them in this video because they can be quite tricky. So for this method, first go into the Xbox 360 version and go into your saves. Now press the Y button to open the save options or any other button that you see over here. When you open the save options, the last setting here is going to be upload save for Xbox One. So choose this option for a specific world or multiple worlds that you would like to transfer, and every single time that you upload these saves, they are going to be available in the Xbox One version. Make sure that you are signed into the same Microsoft account between both consoles. So now open the Xbox One version of Minecraft, go into your saves, and at the bottom you will find this button to retrieve your Xbox 360 saves. So choose the option here, and now they are going to appear on the list. Keep in mind that you will still not able to play inside of them. They aren't going to work in Xbox One. So now there's one extra step. If you were using the same Microsoft account, go into the Bedrock edition of Minecraft, like I said, on the same Microsoft account, and if you go into your worlds and scroll all the way down, you will see this message: don't see your worlds, synchronize old worlds. Choose the option here, and all of those worlds that you transferred will now appear in the Bedrock edition. You can now play them freely, single player, multiplayer. You can upload them into a realm if you want to download them, and it is super simple to set up. So all that you have to do using the same Microsoft account for all steps is to transfer it from Xbox 360 to Xbox One, and consequently it is going to appear on the Bedrock edition of Minecraft. I hope I was able to help you on how to convert Xbox 360 Minecraft worlds to Bedrock. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.